What is up, y'all? God, it is good to be back. I am sorry I have not been recording. There's been a lot of shit happening. I've not been feeling good. Just stuff that's not interesting. Gun show this weekend. Gonna take y'all along. Even if they don't let me film, I'll film as discreetly as I can. Or I'll be going to the pool or whatever. But there's a problem, y'all. We're out of dip. Oh no. So we're gonna have to get that fixed. We're gonna get on the road. And once we're on the road, I'll be back with y'all. So cue the time lapse now. What is up, y'all? It is Texas Dipper 0025, and we are in Lubbock at the Civic Center, and it's gun show time tomorrow. I'll record discreetly if I can, no promises. They don't let you record at this show, but I'll see y'all once we get to the hotel. Who knows what the fuck we're gonna do? Probably just gonna go out and eat, and then gonna hit the frickin' hay. So, not exciting today. When this vlog is up, the firearms instructional video is also up, so check those out. I'm gonna be uploading the firearms instructional video while we go out to eat, so check that out. That's on the Cameron Custom Compact, one of my favorite 45 caliber pistols, which also is really easy to clean. Just gotta know how to break it down. Really easy to clean because the barrel's stainless and a lot of the metals are real good. So I'm gonna go help my dad get set up. I just parked. Excuse my language. This dumbass doesn't know how to park. He's like fucking 20 feet over the line, and he just left a fucking trailer here. Seriously. So whoever's trailer this guy's is, if I see him, I'm gonna have a fucking word with him. Or I should just smash his lock, maybe. I'll piss him off. Well, I'll see y'all in a second. Hope y'all enjoy the road footage I try. You know I time-lapse it, so it just shows that we're actually going somewhere. So, I'll see y'all in just a minute. Getting us some fried catfish. Be back to y'all when we get to the hotel. What's up, y'all? Oh shit, I almost fell in the bathtub. Okay, so what y'all just saw in the last clip was dinner. Fried catfish, fried biscuits, and damn, it was good. It was really freaking good. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's for a heating lamp. But we're stuck in Motel 8, unfortunately. It's not a bad room for Motel 8, it's a non-smoking, but, I mean, look at the doors. Look at the crap one. So, that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. I'm gonna edit, watch some TV, and hit the freaking head. So I'm TechStepper0025 out. Holla.